In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how to make the most out of your Canva project by transforming your text into a list. This might seem like a small change, but let me tell you, it can make a world of difference in the organization and clarity of your designs. So whether you're putting together a presentation, creating a digital poster, or just tidying up some notes, turning text into a list is a skill you'll definitely want to have in your toolkit. First off, let's navigate to your Canva project. You can easily access this by logging into your Canva account and selecting the project you're currently working on from the dashboard. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's a very intuitive platform, so feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you're inside your project, you'll want to locate the text that you'd like to convert into a list. This could be a block of text within a presentation slide, some details on an infographic, or anything else you're working with. The key here is knowing where your text is and how you'd like to organize it. After selecting your desired text, the next step is pretty straightforward. Look towards the upper middle section of your Canva interface. Here you'll find an icon that resembles a bullet form logo. This is your List button. It might sound simple, but this little tool is incredibly powerful. When you click it, Canva automatically converts your plain text into a clearly organized list, complete with bullet points. This not only helps in aligning your content, but also in making sure that your audience can easily follow the information you're presenting. And just like that, your previously unstructured text is now a neat, easy-to-read list. Finally, you'll know you're done when you see the bullets appear in your text block. Congratulations! What might have seemed like a minor adjustment can actually have a significant impact on how your information is consumed. Lists are a great way to break down complex information into easily digestible segments. So you've just taken a major step towards improving your design's readability and making the information more accessible to your audience. And there you have it. We've successfully navigated through the process of making your text into a list in Canva. Remember, having a visually appealing and logically organized presentation or design is key to effective communication, whether for personal projects or professional endeavors. Keep this method in your back pocket and feel empowered to take control of your creative projects like never before. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing how you'll use this new skill in your future Canva creations.